The Greedy Lion, a moral short story for the kids. On a hot summer day, a lion in the forest started feeling hungry. He went hunting for food. Soon, he spotted the rabbit roaming around alone. He thought to himself, such a small rabbit, as this can't satisfy my hunger. Instead of catching the rabbit, the lion let it go. Just then, a beautiful deer passed by and the lion decided to hunt it down. So, he ran behind the deer. Since he was weak because of the hunger, he could not keep up with the deer's speed. Soon, he was tired and could no longer chase the deer. He let go of the deer and went back, looking for the rabbit to fill his stomach for some time. But the rabbit was gone. The lion was sad and remained hungry for a long time. Moral: greed is never a good thing. We should be happy with whatever we get. Thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.